Here I have OUKITEL WP5, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So first of all, let's open screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be settings list, and then you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time like this for about a second. And that's how you take screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Power key and volume down at the same time. You can also take screenshot by holding only power key, and after this turn off menu appears, there's a button screenshot here, and it works exactly the same way. So you can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshot section, and from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.